Alphabet Island, where let us live and play in style. From A to Z, there's so much to see. Let's sing and dance, come explore with me. Is for alligators splashing in the sea. Hello, he smiles, come swim with me. B is for bananas hanging in the trees. Monkeys eat them happily swinging in the breeze. C is for crabs, click CL on the sand. Wearing funny hats, they form a marching band. Is for dolphin dancing in the bay. She flips and twirls and splashes all day. E is for eagle flying way up high, spreading her wings across the sky. F is for fireflies glowing in the night. They light the jungle with a golden light. G is for giraffe, tall and full of grace, wearing sunglasses and running in a race. H is for hippo, sleeping in a chair, snoring loudly with flowers in her hair. I is for iguana, building something cool. He made a boat and a jungle school. J is for jellyfish, floating in the jiggling gently and waving at me. K is for kangaroo, hopping down the track, carrying letters in her backpack. L is for lion, roaring from his throne, made of shells and polished stone. M is for monkey, making mango cake. She flips and bakes by the crystal lake. N is for narwhal, swimming with a smile. Her shiny horn can glow for miles. O is for octopus, painting on a shell. With 8 arms, he paints so well. P is for parrot, singing loud and clear. Q is for quail, quick as can be, zooming past coconuts and climbing a tree. R is for raccoon, run a tiny store. He sells crayons, toys, and more. S is for snake, dancing down the jungle way. His shiny shoes steal the day. T is for turtle, reading books beneath the light, glowing pages, pure delight. U is for umbrella bird, singing sweetly in the rain, with her feathered umbrella again. V is for vulture, flying through the breeze, playing violin in the coconut trees. W is for whale, splashing in the sea, singing deep songs so happily. X is for X-ray fish, glowing in the dark. He lights the reef like a glowing spark. U is for yak, yodeling on a hill, echoing songs that give a chill. Z is